Hello students, welcome back. May I remind you, if you have not finished the quick practice 5.11, please go to do it first before you check the answer with me. But if you really don't have any idea to do the questions, then just do the questions together with me now. Now, this is actually similar to example 5.11. Let's start. First of all, we'll let u to be the complicated function in this. Okay, so which is the 8x squared minus 2 over x. Okay, then we become this one, and then we find du dx. Okay, so after we find du dx, again we try to find the y. Now y is u to the power 4, so dy du is 4u to the power 3. Okay, so after we find dy du, then we really come to the end. So dy dx equals to dy du and then du dx. Okay, so just put so make sure you put in the correct expressions. Okay, don't make mistake in here. So finally we put the u back to the questions. So and this is 16x plus 2 over x squared. Sorry, this is from 3, I missed it. So here is the answer. But actually, if you look at the questions, the answer is different from the one, okay, with us. Actually, it's the same, but I think this is acceptable. But if you want to get the answer in the questions, you just take out 2, okay, from the terms. Okay, so because here, if you have 2 to the power 3, so you take out 2 to the power 3, and then this becomes 4x squared minus 1 over x to the power 3. Okay, and for the next one, we can take out 2, so it becomes 8x plus 1 over x squared. Okay, and then you will get 64 4x squared minus 1 over x to the power 3. Okay, and now we go to part B. Okay, part B. What will be the u? Here it is quite obvious because there's only one expressions, right? So u will be x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 1. And then we find du dx. Oh, very simple. Okay. And then after we find du dx, we can find the y. Okay, so y equals to 1 over square root u, and which is equals to u to the power negative 1 over 2, and then dy du will be negative 1 over 2u. Okay, after we find this, again, we really get the answer. So dy dx will be dy du dx, and then we put everything, and then multiply 2x plus 4. So the 2 cancel with each other, so you negative x plus 4, and then we get x squared plus 4x plus 1 negative 3 over 2. Okay, so this is the end of this video. So I hope you're familiar with the skills already. Sorry, just check the answer. Now I make a mistake. Okay, here is x plus 2. Okay, so in final exam, maybe I just, okay, I cannot get the full marks because of the careless mistake. Actually, it happens. So checking the answer is important. If you have time, so make sure you check the answer at least once. Okay, so now it's your turn to do some practice. So see you next week. It will be more challenging, okay, in the next lesson. Okay, see you.